Why do smart people refuse to admit they are wrong? Not people who don't know better, but people with PhDs, CEOs, scientists, entrepreneurs. They can destroy weak arguments in seconds. So why can't they destroy their own? If intelligence helps us find the truth, why does it sometimes trap us further from it? We assume intelligence means seeing reality more clearly. But intelligence has another job. It can also build better explanations. That sounds useful. Until the explanation is protecting a bad idea, the smarter you are, the more convincing your excuses become. Intelligence does not always search for truth. Sometimes it searches for reasons. But why would the brain do that? Because changing your mind is expensive. Not intellectually, but emotionally. Every idea carries hidden investments. Time, pride, reputation, years of work. If you have spent 5 years building an idea, admitting it's wrong does not just destroy the idea, it destroys 5 years of effort. So your brain quietly changes the goal. Instead of asking, is this true? It starts asking, how can I defend it? Psychologists have found one small piece of this puzzle. It's called the IKEA Effect. People value furniture they build more than identical furniture built by someone else. Not because it's better, because part of themselves now lives inside it. Ideas works the same way. The longer you have built an idea, the more it feels like an extension of you. Criticizing the idea begins to feel like criticizing the person. That's why debates become personal. Maybe intelligence is not what separates people who find the truth from people who don't. Maybe the real difference is something much rarer. The willingness to abandon something you have spent years creating. Because the hardest ideas to question aren't the ones you have heard, they are the ones you have built. And perhaps that's the strangest part of being human. The better we become at thinking, the better we become at protecting the thoughts we already have.